Alright, welcome back yet again. Another video in compass work with EG. This question, they want us to construct an inscribed circle in the given triangle. So basically what they are asking us is that we have to draw a circle that fits on the inside of the triangle, and it should fit each it should just touch each line. You shouldn't go over it and you shouldn't miss it. Right. So you have to memorize this. It's the difference between inscribed and circumscribed. Now inscribed, we're going to do the following. We're going to half two corners. Now you can bisect any two corners. You can decide which one you want to bisect. And I've done this in a previous video. If you don't know how to do this, just go back to one of my previous videos. Right? So basically I'm going to set my compass on any radius. Okay. Now where it cuts the triangle, I'll make another arc and another arc, keeping it on the same setting. Now right, I'm going to choose the top one. Again, draw a random arc, place the compass where it cuts. Right, one arc and another one. Now we're going to bisect the corner. Alright, make sure it cuts and goes through that line and goes through that line. Alright, you have to be very accurate with this. If you're out by a fraction of a millimeter, it won't fit. Alright, there's my one. So let's hope. Okay, on the corner, through the cross, and there I go. Now, where those two meet up, that will be the center for the circle. Now the radius isn't given to us, so I have to go and make sure it fits. I'm going to adjust it to one side, adjust it to another side, and see. Alright, so let us see, it moved. Okay, so there it goes. Voila, it fits perfectly in the triangle. Alright. So remember, inscribed, you have to bisect two corners. Right, now the next question. The next question asks for you to circumscribe. Right? So now we have to draw a circle on the outside of the triangle. Right. Now we cannot go and bisect two corners. It won't work. You'll see you're going to struggle. Right? So in this instance I have to bisect two lines, two sides, with a perpendicular line. Now perpendicular is a line that's 90 degrees. Alright? And we've done this also in a previous exercise. That's why I said everything gets back to your basics. If you know your basics, EGD is easy. Alright. So I'm going to bisect this line. Alright? So again, now I have to place my compass one side, put it further than half. I'm going to draw an arc, place it on the other side, and I'm going to draw another arc. Right, so I've got those 2 points. That's it. And now I'm going to bisect another line. And you have to make sure it's further than half, or those two won't meet. Right, so there's my one, and make sure your compass doesn't move at all. There's one, and there's the other one. Alright, now let's try it out. Where this one meets, and where this one meets. I sometimes like to do this. Make sure I'm in the middle, make a little dent, make a little dent, make a little dent there and over there. So when I put my pencil over it, I can feel that I'm in the groove. Alright, draw a line through. Oops, that one's a bit out. And this one. Right, let's go for the rest. I think mine's going to be out by a little bit, so let's see. I'm going to set my compass to the 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Yep, like I thought. It's out by a bit, so I have to readjust my line. Difficult with the light. There's this one, and I have to move this one a bit. Right, set the light by a fraction of a millimeter out. Okay, there's one. Hope for the best. There's another one, and there we go. It goes through all 3 of my corners. Right, now the reason for why I struggle a bit, this point is a bit blunt, so you always have to make sure that this point is always sharp. And then you also get a clutch pencil adapter for this compass, so then you can draw with a 0.3 or a 0.5. That helps a lot with accuracy. Right, but the basic is, if you draw a circumscribed circle, you bisect 2 lines, okay, 2 sides, get the midpoint, get a line, and then to inscribed you have to bisect 2 corners. Alright, thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you like the video, comment if you would like me to explain something else in this region or this line of work. Send me a comment.